Hi guys, welcome to another DIY section. If you're seeing my video for the first time, you're very welcome. My name is Elizabeth and you're welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making this beautiful flower. So I'll just be running through the materials we are going to be needing for this tutorial. So we'll be needing our scissors, measuring tape, satin fabric, lighter or candle, and hot glue. You'll be cutting out your fabric in a square shape, 5 cm on all sides. 6 pieces is what I used for this video. The video is divided into several steps for better understanding. Please just follow through to the end so you get it right. So first step, we'll be trimming the edges of the fabric with our lighter, or if you have a candle you can use it for this part. You just trim out all the excess you have on the edges to stop it from pulling out. So step 2 will be folding, burning and adding glue. So basically we'll be folding our fabric now to get our shape. So that picture is the shape we are looking at getting after folding it. So we'll just be folding it now. Just follow the process gradually so you can understand how to do it. So I'll be running through this process twice, so to be clear, and I'm taking it very slow. Once you get a good fold, then you're good to go. Yeah. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are wonderful. And to my new subscribers, thank you very much. You're welcome to the family. Please do well to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. And you're free to drop a comment at the comment section if you have any question. Thank you very much. Please, you can also turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. So after adding the glue, this is how it's going to look like. So yours should look like this. So I'll be going ahead to do the second one now. So if you didn't follow through for the first one, you can just follow this one gradually, gently. So yeah, that's the same way we folded the first one. It's the same way we are going to fold this. Please make sure you try this yourself and see how it comes out for you. So when you fold the two edges, when you break the two edges together, you just use the tip of your finger to take the center part in to give it that round shape at the top. Then after that, you go ahead to burn it and press it. After you put your fire on the material, just press it a bit so it comes together. Then you go ahead with your glue on one side. You glue it upwards to the middle, to the center part. Then you glue the second one on top of the first one, directly on it. So this is what we have, just the same like the first one. So now we're going to step 3. We'll be adding all the pieces together. So now I did the rest off camera, so I'll be gluing them all together now. So I'm going to be using that button for the middle. I'm going to be clipping it at the middle. So now we'll be gumming everything together, 3 apart. Then we'll bring them all together. So guys, that will be all for this flower making. So just go ahead now and put our button at the middle, and that will be all. You can use this a long pin for this flower, a long lapel pin, or you use a flat brooch pin for it. So whichever one you want to use, please make sure you try it yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next in my next video. Bye.